So this is our first ride on Iron Gwazi. How are you feeling?
I'm really excited.
Pretty excited?
Yeah, we've been waiting 2 years.
It's been here forever. Here we go. Woo! Yeah.
Wow, we're finally on it. They said we can ride as many times as we want today.
Yo!
With no water.
Woo!
We just hopped right on. Wait at all. I cannot believe it.
That's awesome. I can't believe we get to ride so many times today. That's awesome.
I love that they have the zipper pocket thing.
Yes.
They should on every roller coaster.
Yes, absolutely. Instead of being greedy.
Yeah.
Look at the view of Tampa.
Let's ride on the roller coaster.
Woo!
Let's do it. I cannot believe it. We're about to get launched at first.
Ah! Oh, you can hold on right here.
No. Hold on up here.
Heck no, I'm too
Hold
scared.
on up here.
Oh my god.
My handbars up here.
Oh my god.
Yo.
I don't know if I can keep my hands up.
That was awesome!
Oh my god. That was great.
That was amazing.
Wow.
Wow. Unbelievable. That is way better than what it used to be here.
Oh my gosh.
That roller coaster was absolutely horrible. It felt like you were getting gutted the whole time. That was so smooth.
It was smooth. That was amazing.
Nuts.
We have the best ride. Would you say this is the best ride in Florida?
Oh yeah.
Better
yeah.
than
Velocicoaster?
Velocicoaster? Wow.
Not that Velocicoaster is bad. I don't know. That drop was crazy. I was just flying out of my seat.
Yeah.
I can't wait to do it again.